Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Enjoy learning computer science. So in this video you're going to see a simple program in Python to prepare a daily meal planner. Let's see how it works. Okay, so I have created this in Pictoblox as my third DIY project for International Teachers Training Program conducted by STEMpedia. Right? Let's see how my coding works. In my coding, I have used functions, I have used arrays, that is list, and then I have used menus also. Let's see how my program works. Okay, so I'm running my program. So this is my daily meal planner program. Right, now welcome to my daily meal planner. It is asking to choose your breakfast. Breakfast: 1 idli, 2 pancake, 3 sandwich and 4 cereals. So let me choose 1 as idli. Okay, and then choose your lunch: 1 rice, 2 chapati, 3 pasta and 4 burger. So let me choose chapatis, which is 2. Right, and the next one is for dinner. So and now it is soup for 1, dosa for 2, salad for 3 and noodles for 4. So type your choice number. So in case I am not selecting a choice between 1 to 4, let's say I am giving the choice as 6, so it will raise an error message showing invalid choice, choosing first item by default, and it will give a meal plan. For breakfast it is idli, for lunch chapati and for dinner soup. Stay healthy and enjoy your meals. That's what Tobi says. This is how my program works. Hope you must have enjoyed. Thanks for watching my YouTube channel. Thank you. Bye bye.